What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the new Amazon FBA product research method that I happened to stumble across just by being in the trenches, using different strategies, getting creative. I've got something pretty fun for you that combines two elements you wouldn't necessarily think about combining. If you're interested in seeing what that technique is, be sure to stick around till the end. Be sure to like and subscribe down below for more videos like this about Amazon FBA, entrepreneurship, and business. Other than that, let's get right into it. All right, so we're gonna head into my computer and we're gonna be going to a website that's gonna make it easy for us to find products that most of you probably aren't thinking about using. Now, can we just take a second to appreciate the Savage University tank top? This is a one of one. This is not available. This is for the operator. I'm enjoying this. First link in the description if you want to learn how to grow your Amazon FBA business. Other than that, let's get into it. We're going to walmart.com. Okay, walmart.com for Amazon products. So all we're going to do, we're going to type in home decor. You can type in any broad category. I did home decor, so let's change that. Type in any broad category. Fishing, tools, home goods. It's a brand, home decor. I'm going to go to decorative accents. This is just one area that I'm familiar with and it works well. You could do it in any different area. I might even check out a different area during this video. Come in here, you'll notice one thing. Most of these have very low reviews. Some of them are well recognized, but most of them are pretty low, pretty new listings. Walmart is a space that's just starting to kind of bloom as an opportunity. And what we want to do is we want to come in here and see if people are getting creative with things that they've listed on Walmart that they have not yet listed on Amazon. And actually, that's not even entirely true. It could be listed on Amazon also. We're just trying to find smaller markets that haven't exploded on Amazon yet, that have started on Walmart. So we could come through here and we could look at Gold Hands Bookend. So now all you do is you go open up Amazon and you search Gold Hands Bookend. That's probably one word, I think. It's actually the same one right there. There's pretty much only that one. Let's go ahead and, well, let's log in first here. So we're gonna open up Helium 10's X-ray tool. They're doing $3,000 per month on Amazon, and the competition is pretty much doing nothing. It's very little search volume. There's not much going on here. They're only doing $3,000 per month. They have 400 reviews. So then all we do, go back to Walmart and start looking for another one. What is this? Galvanized stripe trays. Galvanized trays, let's see. We have 28 search volumes. Probably, if you see this, don't worry too much because it's probably just an alteration of this that has more search volume. Really just look for successful sellers that are doing well. A lot of these are doing incredibly well, actually. Come down here, 111, 2,000 per month. This one is doing 20,000 per month, 3,700 per month. Some of these have a little bit of high reviews. This is one of those spaces where if you could go to Pinterest, you can go to Etsy, or even look at the ones that are on Walmart. Is there a design that's different there that you could put on Amazon? A lot of this stuff is just having a unique product identifier. So we really want something that's not here yet, and that's why we're using Walmart. So now you're starting to see the cycle here. This one is not on Walmart yet. I keep getting this backwards. It's not on Amazon yet. Has 2 reviews, it's on Walmart, it's ranked in the top page for decorative accents. What if we took this design and we put it on Amazon? Or we took this as inspiration, we found a market, and then we alter it and put it on Amazon. All right, so as I come through here, again, this is one category. And maybe this isn't where you find your product, but this is the method. And we get more and more categories suggested to us. We could sort by knickknacks, we could sort by decorative trays and platters, decorative boxes and music boxes. These all become search terms, which become markets, which become additional long tail keywords. Like look at this, collapsible fruit bowl. Collapsible fruit bowl, I've never even heard of that. So one thing that I've been noticing with this, spelling and talking is incredibly hard. One thing I've noticed with this technique is that I'm seeing products that I've never even thought were a thing. I've never heard of these things. And okay, there actually are 2 here. Let's see how they're doing. I'm coming across some really, really niche product ideas, right? Some of this stuff is like real hit or miss. Like this is 300 in sales. This one's 500 in sales. Those aren't hits. But when was the last time you saw a product like this in your product research tool? Or when was the last time you saw the design of a specific product show up on a product research tool, you're generally seeing these kind of generic products that are overly listed on Amazon. This is giving me, even though it's not always a hit, so much fuel of creativeness towards Amazon. Sometimes it'll work in a really magical way that you can't even really comprehend. Like this leads you this round wooden antique mirror tray, and we're looking just to see what the overlap is. Here's that same one, here's one, but again, as we go through here, there's like 3 that have wood on them. So all it takes is an hour or 2 of doing this strategy and getting one win. This one's doing $6,000 per month. This one's doing $1,500 per month. This one's doing $10,000 per month. Now, what's the problem here? Well, some of them have higher reviews, okay, but that's it. So there's not a whole page of this. It's not flooded. We probably don't have the perfect search term right now, but if we were to do a quick run keyword search using Cerebro by Helium 10, we might be able to see what the correct search term is, right? There's no reason that just because the thing that you typed in didn't happen to be the one with search volume to think that there's no market here or there's no existing customers looking for something like this. Maybe these sellers are in fact targeting mirror tray and that's the correct term, and then your variation is playing off of this rustic farmhouse type style. So this is loading. This is gonna get back keywords for us to go look at, and now you're starting to see how the process forms. It's not one thing. It's not always a success. It took me a couple tries, but now we found something. We're weaving in. We're looking for keywords now. We're going to go advanced rank filter. 2 of these are ranking in the top 20 positions for a page, and we're going to go see what those results are. I have 37 different results sorted by search volume. Mirror tray for coffee table, mirrored trays for coffee table, rustic bathroom tray, coffee table tray mirror. Alone right here we have 1,500 search volume, 2,000 search volume. So let's go look at mirror tray for coffee table. Again, there's not just these rustic ones, there's all kinds of products here, but doesn't it stick out amongst all the traditional modern or metal mirror trays to have a rustic one in here? And now we take that piece of information we had from before with the galvanized rustic thing being popular, and we bring that into this. Maybe as the bottom we have like a polished galvanized thing, or we have galvanized aluminum handles. This is where the juices get flowing. You start thinking about all these different elements, and you just don't get that when you're looking through a piece of product research software that's just giving you the ideas, right? When you have to actually manually think of what this market is, where the product market fit lies, what your competitive advantage is in this space, and how you can gain traction in an area that no one is finding on these tools, that's the unique element about a software or a product research technique like this. Okay, let's just for fun. Okay, again, farmhouse tabletop windmills. There's a couple of them, like 5 of them stand on a tabletop. Most of them go on the wall. Is this something that can work? So now we're kind of getting down into, like I said, the trenches. We're getting our hands dirty. We're getting our face covered in mud. We're getting ready for battle. This 5,000, 3,000, 4,000, 2,700. Not astronomical numbers, but at 40% margins, 30% margins, we're talking about an extra $1,000, $1,500 per month in profit from a single product where no one is doing it except for 5 people. And we go on Pinterest, we go look at designs that aren't already on Amazon. We think about who this target audience is and maybe what they're buying with this product, or maybe they want a 2-pack of like a big windmill and then a small one. All of these things start to click when you're using a unique product research method. So the whole goal of today's video was to get you to see that you can start from a category on a site that's less popular than Amazon. Go to Amazon, look for those things. Usually the revenues are going to be higher. The competition's going to be higher. But then you take the creative, like look at this, the 2-pack. Was that anywhere on here? There's not a single 2-pack on here. Okay, it's the first one, sorry. I got too excited, I overspoke. My Chrome extension was blocking it. Anyway, we used one keyword and then went into 1 or 2 categories. Go put sporting goods in there. Go put camping in there. Go put all these different categories, tools and home improvement. and look through, get your hands dirty, go manually take a keyword and put it on Amazon and see what the market is. This is how you find these gem markets that competition isn't finding quickly. That goes on for you. We always see these markets that for 3 years there's 3 competitors and they get thousands of reviews. How is no one finding those? It's because they're not the run-of-the-mill average markets that you find on the software, right? Everyone's seeing those. This, you're kind of finding the audience yourself. You're building a product yourself off of an inspiration that's not Amazon, bringing it there, and now you're basically set. As long as you have competitive pricing and amazing branding, you should be able to win in that space. That's gonna do it for today's video, this new product research strategy. I was thinking about Walmart product research, and now I'm thinking about how can I use Walmart to come back full loop to Amazon and list new Amazon products based off of Walmart. It's all connected. Be sure to like and subscribe down below for more videos like this one. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much. Later.